Adrian Sands, AP.
Yes, hello. I was wondering, considering the issues experienced in the last month or so, is there any indication that anyone received an expired vaccine in Shelby County?
So as far as, I can let David or Dr. Randolph speak to that, but I do know that the Tennessee Department of Health is here and the CDC is here, and they're working to determine if there was anything like that going on. And I spoke with them yesterday at length about what our program is here, and mentioned, based on what I had heard, just like you did, there's some talk about a revaccination. That's not my worry today, but if that becomes a requirement, then we will handle that appropriately. We will let everybody know, and we'll make sure that if that becomes something that we need to do, that we schedule it and give people a heads up about who needs it and where it can be done. Yeah, go ahead, David.
So thank you for the question. As far as has been mentioned earlier in the broadcast, the issue with the Pfizer vaccine, because of its extreme specific temperature requirements, is that once you thaw it out, you have 5 days to use it. And the doses that expired in the pharmacy. They were thawed out in the pharmacy, but they never left the pharmacy to be used, so no one was put in jeopardy of receiving doses that had been thawed out for more than 5 days. So that issue did not prevail. We are grateful for the presence of the CDC to work with the Shelby County Health Department and the Tennessee Department of Health to understand and all the factors and put in place best practices to ensure nothing like that would ever happen again. But the specific answer to the question is no.
Thank you.
And with that, we are over time. I do want to thank everyone for continuing to follow this story, the story of the pandemic. It is the greatest public health event of our lifetimes. And the joint task force that this briefing is on behalf of was formed almost 1 year ago. And so we, over the past year, have taken a very arduous journey, but we've also formed very strong partnerships, and we will continue to be a joint task force, a partnered task force, until this pandemic releases its grip on our community. Thank you for all your assistance.
Thanks, everyone. We'll see you back here Thursday.